In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review, restore, or permanently delete pages from Space Trash in Confluence. First, open Confluence and head to the space where the deleted content originally lived. Make sure you're in the correct space since trash is managed per space. If you're part of multiple teams or projects, glance at the space name and icon on the left to confirm you're in the right place. Keep in mind, you may need space admin or page level permissions to see certain options. Next, open space settings. You'll find this in the left sidebar. On some layouts, it appears as a gear icon near the bottom. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see all the options. Space settings is where administrative tools for that specific space are grouped. Inside space settings, look for the trash or deleted pages section. The exact label can vary slightly depending on your Confluence edition or theme, but it's typically called trash. If there's a search field within settings, typing trash or deleted can help you find it quickly. Open the trash list. This view shows pages that were removed from the space, but not yet permanently deleted. You'll usually see details like the page title, who deleted it, and when. Some views let you filter or sort, which can be helpful if the list is long. Remember that pages may retain their hierarchy, so child pages can appear under a deleted parent. Take a moment to review the deleted pages. Click into any title to preview its content and confirm it's the item you're looking for. If the page had subpages, check whether those are also in the trash and whether you want them restored as well. Verifying now prevents accidental restores of outdated or duplicate material. When you're ready, choose a page to either restore or permanently delete. Restore will bring the page back into the space, typically to its original location. If the original parent no longer exists, it may return to the space root, and you can move it later. Permanently delete will remove the page from the trash for good. This action is irreversible, so only use it when you're certain the content isn't needed. You may be asked to confirm before finalizing. Once you've finished reviewing and taking action, close the trash section and return to your space. A quick refresh can help you see restored pages where you expect them. That's it. Simple, safe housekeeping to keep your Confluence space clean and your important pages right where they belong.